Good afternoon, sir.
True.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay. So what we did in last class, projection of point we have completed, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes.
today we will start projection of line, right? All of you have received your laptop.
No,
Not
sir.
yet,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So projection of line means we have done projection of point now. Like there was point and there was different location with respect to horizontal and vertical plane. Okay, point was kept in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. For all the cases we have seen, right?
Yes, sir.
You see this. Okay. Can you see this? This line. Uh, Yellow color is horizontal plane, and this is vertical plane. Okay. And there is a line AB. There is a line AB, right? You can see now this one AB.
Yes, sir.
So can I say this line is? Can I say this line is parallel to the vertical plane and inclined with horizontal plane by some angle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you come to this figure 2. Can I say this line is parallel to horizontal plane and inclined with vertical plane by some angle theta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in first case, when you are looking from the front, means from this side, okay, you will get projection on vertical plane, right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That is nothing but this A dash and B dash, right? So that
Yes.
is a front view. But when you're looking from the top, means from this side, okay, you will get projection on which plane? Horizontal
Horizon.
plane. And suppose end of that point, this is point A, this is point B, okay. So point projection of point A, you will get A, and then projection of point B, you will get B, right? So can you tell me the length of in front view? In front view, when looking from this side, length of projection will be original to the length that original length of the line,
Yes,
same
sir.
length. But when looking from the top, you will get another length that is different from original length, or you can say it
Yes,
will be
sir.
shorter from original length,
Shorter. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
right? So that is called apparent length. This projected length is called apparent length. Similarly, here also, in when I'm looking from the front view, you will get apparent length, right? You will not get exact length now in front view.
Yes, sir.
but when you are looking from the top, you will get true length TV. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And there is one observation: whenever there is any inclination with any plane, in that plane projection will be apparent length. Means length of projection will be lesser than original length. Is it clear?
सर एक बार वापस बोलिएगा ना.
Means whenever there is inclination, some of you are making noises. Okay. Okay. Just wait for 1 minute. Okay. So I was telling, can you hear me now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
So I'm saying like whenever there is any inclination of that line with respect to any plane, okay, so projection in that plane will be apparent length. Means that length of that projection will be smaller than your original length. In second figure, you can see now this line is parallel to the horizontal plane and inclined with vertical plane. In second figure, can you tell me this line is inclined with vertical plane or horizontal plane?
Vertical.
Vertical plane. Then in this case, you can see projected length in vertical plane in front view is smaller than original length.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes,
so that
sir.
I'm telling, simple thing. So see, I have shown you only two possibilities here. Can I say there is one line which is parallel to both the planes? Is that possible? No?
Yes, sir.
Like it will be like this. You can
Excuse me,
imagine,
sir.
yes.
Sir, apparent length will be shorter when looked by the frontal view, no, sir.
Yes. Front view. In second one.
Yes, sir.
Not in front view, or means it is depend on orientation or inclination of that line. When line is
Okay.
inclined with any plane, in that plane you will get apparent length. I am telling you, see, there can be different possibilities, means different orientation. Can I say there is one line which is parallel to both the planes? It is parallel to vertical plane also and a horizontal plane also. Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
Means suppose I am drawing one line. You see this. This is in space. Okay. Suppose it is here, somewhere here. Can you imagine now? This line is parallel to both the planes. This red one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When you look from the front and from top, you will in both the cases you will get original length because there is no inclination with any plane. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And in next case, can I say there is one line which is parallel to vertical plane, but it is perpendicular to horizontal plane. Can I say that? Hello. There is one line which is parallel to vertical plane and perpendicular to horizontal plane. Means this line will be like this. Line will be like this now. Let me draw it. Okay. Can line, if I'm drawing one line like this, can you see now? The
Yes,
straight
sir.
one. So you can see now this line is parallel to the vertical plane but perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Similarly, there can be another line like this if I draw like this. So can I say this line is perpendicular to vertical plane and parallel to the horizontal plane?
Yes, sir.
So see, like this we have to draw. Who is
Sir,
making noise?
someone's mic is.
Who is Ankita?
So it's me.
Okay, okay. Please don't make noise. Right. Okay. So I hope you are getting this now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So we have understood. Okay, and like similarly like this, there can be different possibility. We will come to the question, then you can see. Like you have to visualize first according to the question, like how the what is the orientation of that line, whether it is parallel to both the planes or parallel to one plane. Okay. So first we will go to the question, then I will go through one question, then you will get it. Okay. So question number 1, draw the projection of a line 70 mm long. Length of line is given. What is length?
70 mm.
70 mm. It is denoted by AB when it is condition is given ABC. Okay, D. So there are 4 condition is given. In first condition, according to question 1A, the line is 70 mm long and it is parallel to and 25 mm above the horizontal plane and lying in the vertical plane. Can you imagine this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Means line is,
Excuse me, sir.
yes,
Sir, it's Shubhra Mukherjee.
yes.
He need to off his mic.
Subra Mukherjee. Let me check. Yes, Subra Mukherjee. Okay, I muted him. Okay. So question 1A, line is 70 mm long. It is parallel to and 25 mm above the horizontal plane, right? And lying in the BP. So it is in which quadrant? Line is in which quadrant?
First quadrant.
Yes. So when you will draw, how you will look like? Means suppose this is your. I'm just trying to draw. You can see. Not like this. Okay, you can see. Okay. So line is 25 mm and 25 mm above the horizontal plane, and it is like this. Can you see now? This is your first quadrant. So what is this distance? This one, this distance.
So 25.
25 mm.
Okay, and this line is lying in the vertical plane. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this is the situation, or you can say location of line, orientation of line. When you're looking from the front, means from this side, what you will see?
So the projection on vertical plane.
Yes, it will be similarly like what is the location is given. Okay, now?
Whatever it is.
Yeah,
Just
yes, and length will be same. And when you're looking from the top, where you will get the projection?
And that origin line. That
Yes, means on XY line, reference line.
Yeah.
You see here. So you can see now, this is AB front view. AB is top view, na? This one is your XY line. This one is your XY line, right? So on XY line, you can see this AB is your top view and A dash B dash is your front view. Length is 70 mm. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like this,
Yes, sir.
like this, you have to first you go to the question, try to find out, visualize it, okay, and try to find the location of that line, okay, or you can say position, and then you have to look from the front and top, and you have to draw. You know the rules, no? All the rules. Which plane will be fixed? Horizontal or vertical?
Vertical.
Vertical is fixed, horizontal will move by 90 degree in clockwise sense. So that is one, okay. But in most of the cases, you will have question of first quadrant, okay. In some cases only you will have second quadrant. So now we will come to second question. What is second question? Line is perpendicular, like 70 mm long. Line is perpendicular to the horizontal plane, 25 mm behind the vertical plane. Right? In which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Yes, good. So line is perpendicular to the horizontal plane, 25 mm behind the vertical plane, and it's one end 10 mm above the horizontal plane. Right? Can you imagine this?
Yes, sir.
10 mm above the horizontal plane. Suppose if I try to draw it, it is very difficult for me, but I will try. Suppose this is second quadrant, right? And what is given? Perpendicular to the 20 horizontal plane and 25 mm behind the vertical plane, means it will be somewhat somewhere here. Okay. And this is one end A. Suppose this is one end, this is another end. So it is given this end is 10 mm above the horizontal plane. Are you getting it? This end. Suppose this is A, this is B. So this end B is 10 mm above the horizontal plane. And when I'm looking from the top, what is this distance? This one from vertical plane, behind the vertical plane. Behind the vertical plane, what is this distance? 25, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So I hope you can visualize now, no? Like you can imagine it now. Hello.
Sir, could you please explain this one more time?
Okay. See, line is perpendicular. You come here. Line is line is perpendicular to the horizontal plane and 25 mm behind the vertical plane. Right, and it's one end 10 mm above the horizontal plane. So if you come here, you can see, suppose this is your like this, you can see, suppose here is no space. I draw here. Okay, and let's suppose this is your second quadrant, right? You can see now.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
And
Yes,
there
sir.
is one line. There is one line like this. So what is the meaning of this? This line. Actually, I have drawn like this. You have to visualize because I have not done properly. This line, suppose this is line. This line is perpendicular to the horizontal plane, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the distance of this, suppose this is A and this is B. So distance of this, suppose this is vertical, not inclined, okay? You have to imagine like that. Distance of this line from vertical plane, means behind the vertical plane, it is given 25. This is not inclined, this is vertical, okay? Just for your understanding, I have drawn like that. So and also it is in the question, it is given this line is perpendicular and one end of this line is how much distance above Just give me the
10.
10 mm.
yes 10 mm. So this distance means from this vertical 10 mm. So this is the situation, or you can say orientation of the line. Now when you're looking from this side, what you will get? Projection on vertical plane.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Projection on vertical plane you will get, right? And
Yes.
when you're looking from the top,
Point on horizontal plane.
Point view आएगा sir horizontal plane पे.
only one point on horizontal
view.
plane.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
point.
Yes.
But according to rule, when your any object is in second quadrant, both the
Yes, sir.
projection will be above xy line or below xy line.
हाँ sir.
Above
Above.
it.
Above xy line,
Above
because
XY line.
this plane will move in clockwise sense, and both the planes, horizontal as well, your vertical plane will be above xy line, right?
Yes, sir.
When it is above xy line, means you will get one line like this. First, when you're looking from the front, you will get one line like this, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And there is one point. What is this distance? This one?
Sir.
This distance? Just wait.
25 mm.
This distance? No, not that one.
The
I'm
10
talking
mm.
about
10 mm.
तो कौन सा बोलना दो सर को?
this one.
Horizontal
This
वाला
one.
ना.
This one is 10 mm, no?
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
sir.
10 mm.
Yes, sir.
18 mm.
Okay. Now, when you will rotate this plane, what is this distance? This distance from vertical plane?
25 mm था sir.
25. When you will rotate, this point will coincide on that line, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And this is 25. Okay, if you follow the rule, you can do like that. But also you can do another way, like you draw first like front view here, and also you can draw separately your point also to show. Okay, but you have to mention. And suppose this is point A, top one is point A, and this is point B. When you're looking from the top, first, which point you will see first? A, na? When you're
Yes,
looking
yes.
from the top. So whenever you are showing that point, na, you show A, like small a, and then B, like this. Are you getting it? You can see here also.
Ji, sir.
You can see here there will be one point. Okay, you have to make that, or you can show separately also. Okay, and see whatever these lines here, na, this is not your question, na. This is just supplementary line. So better you draw this dotted line, like dotted. Are you getting, na?
Yes, sir.
So can you
So
repeat
whenever
which one?
means draw means you see whatever, see A dash B dash, that is your original projection. Other lines are only supplementary line. Okay, or
Yes,
you can say okay. So in that case, you will draw that line by dotted line, or you have to draw like light pencil. Okay, like 2H you can draw light means
Okay,
light
sir.
with light tracer, right? But it's better if you draw by dash line. So 1, 2 clear. Similarly, you can do question number C also. Perpendicular to the BP in the HP and its one end in the BP. Can you imagine this? There is one line 70 mm long which is perpendicular to the vertical plane. Perpendicular to the vertical plane in the horizontal plane. And its one end in the VP. Can you imagine this?
Yes, sir.
It will be on the line, no?
I'm asking you now. Let's see. Perpendicular to the vertical plane in the HP and its one end in the VP. Means it will be like this, no? Just from starting
Yes.
from like this.
XY. Yes.
Yes. When you're looking from the front, you will get one point. Hello. When you're looking from
सर
the
इसमें
front.
क्वाड्रेंट कैसे बताएंगे? इसमें क्वाड्रेंट तो कोई सा भी हो सकता है.
नहीं, मतलब हमको जो इजी रहेगा, हम वन फर्स्ट लेके चल रहे हैं.
अच्छा,
कोई भी ले लो, ठीक. अगर हम फर्स्ट ले रहे हैं तो ये सही है ना?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Right. So in this case, when you're looking from the front, what you will get? You will get one point.
Point view. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that point will come on XY line.
XY line.
Similarly, if you're looking from the top, you will get one line, original length. That will be on a
Yes.
horizontal plane. So you can see here, this one. Question number C, na? A, B, C. So can you tell me, can you see this one, and can you tell me which quadrant they have considered?
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant.
Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, what happened? Look, your horizontal plane and
Planes are below the XY line.
yes. So like this, you can see. This is a point. Okay, this is your front view or top view. Point is a front view or top view. Front view, na? So like
Front view.
first we will see point A dash. First
Yes,
we
sir.
will see point A, then means it is in, you are looking from the front, then A dash in bracket B, or B dash also. B dash will be correct. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Hello. So like
Yes,
that you
sir.
have to do. Question number D you will do by yourself. That is very simple. Okay. Now come to question number 2. What is question number 2? A line CD 30 mm long is parallel to both the planes VP and HP, and the line is 40 mm above the HP and 25 mm in front of the VP. Draw its projection. It is very simple, na? The line is perpendicular to both the planes. Hello?
Parallel.
Sorry, line is parallel to the both the planes. Means it is. Can you say, like, suppose if I'm drawing here, you can see. Suppose I'm taking this color, not this. Yes, taking this color, and just to draw properly. Suppose this line like this. Can you see that line? This one, red one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So this line is parallel to both the planes. This line. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me what is the distance of this plane, this line with respect to vertical plane. (40 mm above the horizontal and 25 in front of the
25.
vertical.
25.
So this distance is 25. And what is the distance of this line with respect to horizontal plane?
40.
40.
40. So now you can see now, like everything is visualization. If you can visualize, सामने से देखेंगे, ऊपर से देखेंगे, कैसा दिखाई देगा, उसको draw कर देंगे. And you know the symbol when you're looking from the top, means if you're drawing the plan, in that case, what is the denotation? A, na, A, B, and you're looking from the top front, then you will use A dash, B dash, dash symbol. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you can do that. You can see question number this one you can see na 40, 25, C dash, D dash, C, D, right? You can do
Why
that.
30 is given? 30.
30 is the length of line. CD 30 mm long.
Acha, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Question number 3. Question number 3. Draw the projection of a straight line CD. What is the length of line? 50 mm. Length of line is given 50 mm. Okay. What is written? VP. Forget their VP. Okay. The end C is 10 mm in front of VP. एक line है, CD है, and it is telling end C is 10 mm in front of VP. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
You try to visualize this situation, this one. Similar यही situation दिया हुआ है. यहाँ पे देखो एक लाइन है, ये पैरेलल है हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन के, but it is inclined with vertical plane. Can I say in two way, na? Like this line is inclined with vertical plane, or I can also say na, like this point, this end of this line at some distance from vertical plane, 10 mm. I'm written
Yes,
here.
sir.
Or also I can say another end of this line is at 30 mm. You just visualize this. Now I'm coming to the question.
Yes, sir.
Draw the projection of a straight line in the CD 50 mm. The end C is 10 mm in front of the VP, and D is 30 mm in front of VP, and the line is 50 mm above the HP. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Means this distance, this vertical distance, this one, this is given 15 mm.
15. Huh?
Yeah, now it is clear, na? You're looking from the front and top, you can draw. Is that?
Yes.
This is very simple.
Sir.
So yes, Bolu. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes. Okay. So I think you अभी समझ में आ गया ना क्या हम लोग प्रोजेक्शन लाइन में क्या कर रहे हैं, प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ पॉइंट में क्या किए. सिमिलरली जहां पे लाइन आ रहा है वहां पे पॉइंट हमारा होता था, तो वहां पॉइंट को देखते थे. प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ लाइन में क्या कर रहे हैं, लाइन है, लाइन को देख रहे हैं, ठीक है, फ्रंट व्यू, टॉप व्यू, ठीक है. इन सिमिलर वे नेक्स्ट क्लासेस में क्या होगा, लाइन की जगह प्लेन आ जाएगा. फिर नेक्स्ट क्लास में क्या होगा, प्लेन की जगह सॉलिड आ जाएगा. सॉलिड की जगह, सॉलिड के बाद क्या होगा, सॉलिड को हम क्या करेंगे, एक प्लेन से कट कर देंगे. कट करने के बाद वो कैसा दिखेगा, जस्ट लाइक दैट वी हैव टू गो. I think if you're trying to visualize, then you can do. If you're trying to like just means you have to follow, then you're following the steps, okay, then you cannot do. And you're copying from others, then you cannot understand it, okay. So everything is about visualization. If you know the concept, basic concept, then you can do. So question number 2 you can do, 3 you can do, 1 I have told you, D you have to do. Question number 4 is for you, okay. You will do it by yourself. This is very simple, okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So all of you do this by today and submit by today evening 7 p.m. Is it clear?
Sir,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
sir, we have to do question number 1 D part only and 2, 3, 4.
No. All part 1, 2, 3,
All
4.
parts of question number 1.
Yes,
Okay,
yes. All part of. Why I'm
Yes, sir.
telling you, you will do 1 D. I have explained you ABC. You do D
Yes,
by
sir, yes.
yourself because that is very simple. Similarly, I have
Okay, sir.
explained 2 and 3.
a quiz test.
When
Yes, sir. Today.
today you are having, na, then you
Yes.
do that and you submit by 7 or 8 p.m. I will give you time.
Sir, 6:30 is the time, sir, of the test.
But today you have to submit, okay, before 8 p.m. Okay, that is up to you. Before Q you can do and you can submit now.
8 p.m. will be fine, sir.
8 p.m. Okay, you take 8 p.m.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Yes,
okay with
sir.
8 p.m. No problem.
do this on a single sheet of paper.
So
Excuse me,
that is fine.
sir, in D.
Yes.
In D, we have to use protector for 35-degree angle.
Incline it 35 degree to the HP with one
Yes, we
end
have-
20 mm
Yes.
above it and parallel to 25 mm. Okay, you first
We
try
have
to
to
do
use
that. You can
protector.
use if it is needed. You can do that. Okay.
Okay.
So all of you will submit by 8 p.m. Right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Will you share the link?
Yes, I will share by 6 p.m. Okay. By 6 p.m. you will receive the link. If I'm not sharing, then you can just message in the group. You remind me. Okay.
Deadline. Sir, can you make the deadline by 9?
What?
Sir, can you make the deadline at 9 p.m. instead
Why?
of 8?
Okay, you submit. Okay, today you submit by 9 p.m. Okay, 8, 9, whatever. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
So attendance,
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I will take attendance
sir.
from your those who will submit. Only their attendance will be taken.
okay, sir.
I will take
Okay,
attendance from
Thank you,
Google
sir.
Class.
Deadline time is, sir, 9 p.m. No, sir.
Yes, 9 p.m. 9
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
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 sir.
Thank you, sir.